We come with full force. Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari, for the second Intra-African Trade Fair for Durban, tell people wey participate say a delegation dey bring full force to maximize the advantage of the gathering. For the opening ceremony, Buhari talk say dem bring all the country participants under one roof to take help people get informate wey dem need.
The Free Trade Export Import Bank for their dedication and relentless effort in seeing this very worthy initiative become a reality. I also commend the people of Durban for hosting this year's Intra-African Trade Fair. I sincerely hope that we will witness milestone agreements among African businesses at this gathering. Through these gatherings, we will be laying a solid foundation for future business-to-business and government-to-government cooperation. Most of Africa's existing challenges, whether security, economy, or corruption, can be traced to our inability over the years to domesticate the production of our most basic requirements and provide jobs to our teeming and dynamic youth population.
Buhari show he believe say the creation of the biggest free trade areas for the world, the African Continental Free Trade, go work, especially with the active collabo of the public and private sectors.
Under the African Continental Free Trade Area, we can double our African trade by 2030, reduce our reliance on imports, and therefore create more jobs within the continent. We cannot achieve this goal by talking alone. The implementation will be a difficult journey. But all challenges are surmountable if both public and private sectors collaborate. On the public sector side, governments must support local entrepreneurs to build scale and therefore improve productivity. This means providing incentives to encourage our businesses to formalize and comply with laid down regulations. Free trade must also be fair, and fairness can only be achieved when there is good compliance with regulations, especially those relating to rules of origin. The African Continental Free Trade Area is for made in Africa products and services. Africa must be a marketplace where no country is left behind. As we implement, we must ensure that we create jobs and enhance revenue for all parties.
President still call on businesses for Africa to key into existing regional value chain or building new ones, and say Nigeria don't witness re-engineering for the administration.
We were able to achieve this by putting in place fiscal, monetary, and trade policies that support investments and investors in key sectors such as agriculture, mining, telecommunications, and digital economy, banking and financial services, tourism, and manufacturing.
Buhari still thank the sponsors of the event as they take work to make sure say the trade area na reality.
We also introduce reform key institutions as well as policies to fight corruption and ease the way of doing business in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is open for business. I wish you all a very successful fair. Thank you.
From TMC News, Osarugwe, Monday.